guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Chef Zafwan channel, and my name is Muhammad Zafwan bin Muhammad Zulkarnain, and I'm from Malaysia. According to Dr. Ahmad Samhan, using used cooking oil many times is very dangerous. Cooking oil that is used repeatedly can lead to the risk of atherosclerosis, that is clogged blood vessels due to hardening and thickening, liver disease, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and cancer. This is because when frying, the cooking oil releases toxic residues called aldehydes that are left in the oil. Food that is fried using used oil will absorb the toxic residue of the aldehydes. Food that use cooking oil is unhealthy food to eat, so I will make fried ice cream or ice cream goreng into a healthier food that is without frying and using cooking oil. The result is a healthier fried ice cream, or its new name is baked ice cream. The ingredients that we need are the delicious bread, ice cream, and toaster. First step, prepare 2 pieces of bread and place them on a plate, or if you want to make this baked ice cream in large quantities, you can use 4 pieces of bread or more. Second step, turn on the switch so that the toaster can be used and works. Third step, put the 2 pieces of bread in the toaster and start toast the bread. As you can see, the bread has been baked, and the aroma of the bread when baked is very fragrant, and it is making me hungry. After a few minutes, the bread is ready. After that, use a spoon and a fork to take the bread out of the toaster because the bread is still hot. You can also use tongs, but I don't know where the tongs are. Then, take your ice cream in the fridge and open it. You can use any type of ice cream, and in this video, I will use vanilla ice cream that has been mixed with crushed cookies. You can get a scoop of ice cream and put it on the bread. After that, take a piece of bread and put it on top of the bread and cover it together. Then, use a cup and press the bread from above with your hands. Then, use a spoon to tear the bread around the cup. And tada! The baked ice cream is ready to eat. By the way, don't throw away the part of the bread that has been torn because it can be eaten by putting ice cream on it, and it is ready to eat. In this way, we can avoid waste. And let's go to the part of the review. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wow! I don't know how to describe how this baked ice cream tastes because it's so delicious. And let's go, second bite for you guys. My rating for this dessert is 10 out of 10 because when we bite this baked ice cream, we will be able to feel the crunchy bread and the ice cream that melts in the mouth.
Okay guys, we are at the end of the video, and finally I want to close this video with a word that is healthy food guarantees a prosperous future. Bye guys, assalamualaikum.